Welcome to Auto's Time. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Accord, a sedan that redefines the standard for style, technology, and performance. This latest model blends sophistication with practicality, making it an excellent choice for drivers looking for a reliable and stylish ride. The 2025 Honda Accord stands out with its refreshed design. A bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines give the Accord a modern and dynamic appearance. The sporty yet refined profile is enhanced with newly designed alloy wheels and a range of exciting color options, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the Accord offers impressive versatility. The base model features a responsive 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, providing smooth and efficient performance. For drivers seeking more excitement, the optional 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers thrilling acceleration. And for those prioritizing efficiency, the hybrid model combines fuel economy with Honda's signature reliability. Inside, the 2025 Accord is all about comfort and cutting-edge technology. The spacious cabin features high-quality materials and ergonomic seating for ultimate convenience. At the center of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and collision mitigation braking, come standard, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands, the 2025 Honda Accord offers exceptional practicality. Its generous trunk space and efficient design make it an ideal companion for any lifestyle. With its legendary reliability and advanced features, this sedan truly lives up to its reputation. Thanks for watching Auto's Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the 2025 Honda Accord in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews.